Hello children, how are you all? Welcome to Maths class. I hope you are all fine. Today we are going to learn second term, first class in third chapter, multiplications. Now here we are going to topic is repeated addition. Look at this example. Lucy has 2 pencils. Mannat has 2 pencils. Mehnaz also has 2 pencils. How many pencils are there in all? Look at this picture. Lucy has 2 pencils. Mannat has 2 pencils. Mehnaz also has 2 pencils. Tell me children, how many pencils are there in all? Okay. First group 2 pencils plus second group 2 pencils plus third group 2 pencils. Children, how many pencils are there in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is equal to 6. Okay. Adding the same number again and again is called repeated addition. Look at the next question. Carry out repeated addition. How many flowers are there? Okay. First group 3 flowers. 1, 2, 3. Plus second group how many flowers? Count 1, 2, 3. Third group how many flowers? Count 1, 2, 3. Fourth group how many flowers? 1, 2, 3. There are 4 groups of 3 flowers each. That means adding the same number is again and again is called repeated addition. Now tell me children, how many flowers are there in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 flowers in all. Now open your textbook page number 84. Repeated addition. Tell me children, what is repeated addition? Adding the same number again and again is called repeated addition. This question and listen carefully. Carry out repeated addition. Look at this example. What is this? These are lemons. How many groups of lemons? Tell me children, how many lemons in first group? 1, 2, 3. First group 3 lemons. How many lemons in second group? 3 lemons in second group. How many lemons in third group? 3 lemons in third group. 3 groups of 3 lemons each, that is equal to 9. So children, in this way have to complete the repeated addition in page number 84. Next topic is multiplication. Multiplications are related in repeated addition. Multiplication definition is repeated addition of the same number is called multiplication. Into is the sign of multiplication. Look at the flowers. How many flowers are there in all? Now tell me children, how many groups? 1, 2, 3. 3 groups. How many flowers each? 1, 2, 3. Each group 3 flowers. Second one group 3 flowers. Third one group 3 flowers. Adding the same number is again and again is called repeated addition. 3 plus 3 plus 3, that is equal to 9. 3 groups of 3 flowers each, that is equal to 9 flowers. We write it as 3 into 3, that is equal to 9. Into is the sign of multiplication. We say 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 3 is 9. Now open your textbook page number 85. Multiplication. Tell me children, what is multiplication? Repeated addition of the same number is called multiplication. Question and listen carefully. Write the following in multiplication form as shown. Look at this picture. These are leaves. How many leaves in first group? 2 leaves. How many leaves in second group? 2 leaves. How many leaves in third group? 2 leaves. How many leaves in fourth group? 2 leaves. How many groups of leaves? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups of leaves into how many leaves in each group? 2 leaves in each group. So 4 into 2. And next look at the second one question. Or how many times given in 2 number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. So first answer write 6 times. 6 times which number is given in repeated? 2 number is given in repeatedly. So second answer is 2. 6 times 2. Look at the third one problem. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Tell me children, how many times given in 5 number? Count 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times given in 5 number. So 4 into 5. So children, in this way I have to complete the multiplication. Look at the page number 86. This question, write the following as repeated addition. Look at this first question. We write 5 into 4. We say 5 times 4. That means we write 4 number in 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 4. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. Okay. And next question. 2 into 3. We say 2 times 3. 2 times 3. That means 3 write in 2 times. 1, 2. 3 plus 3. 2 times 3. Okay. So in this way I have to complete the 3 repeated addition. And next, first add and then multiply. Look at this first one picture. How many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups of 3 balls each. First group 3 balls, second group 3 balls, third group 3 balls, fourth group 3 balls. 3 plus 3 that is equal to 6. 6 plus 3 that is equal to 9. 9 plus 3 that is equal to 12. So we write it as 4 into 3 that is equal to 12. We say 4 times 3 is 12. Look at the next question. These are crayons. How many groups of crayons? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups of crayons. Each group how many crayons? First group 4 crayons. Second group 4 crayons. Third group 4 crayons. Fourth one group 4 crayons. 4 plus 4 that is equal to 8. 8 plus 4 that is equal to 12. 12 plus 4 that is equal to 16. We write it as 4 into 4 that is equal to 16. We say 4 times 4 is 16. So children, in this way I have to complete these questions in page number 86. I have 2 done for you. Rest of the sums 2 into 1. And next page number 87. Carry out the following multiplication. Look at this first one picture. These are honey bees. How many groups of bees? 2 groups of bees. 2 into each group how many bees? 3 bees. So 2 into 3 that is equal to total bees. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is equal to 2 times 3 is 6. 2 3s are 6. Look at the next one picture. How many groups of buttons? 2 groups of buttons. into each group how many buttons? 4 buttons. 2 into 4, that is equal to total buttons 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 4s are 8. So children, in this way have to carry out the following multiplication. I have 2 down for you, rest of the multiplications 2 into 1. Okay.